Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we simplify complex tool and process to help you succeed. Today we are diving into the ADP Workforce Now Payroll, one of the most popular payroll solution for businesses. Whether you're new to ADP or just need a refresher, this 20-minute tutorial will guide you step by step on how to use ADP Payroll like a pro. Now, obviously, the tutorial could be short, don't worry. ADP Workforce Now is a cloud-based HR and payroll platform designed to help businesses manage payroll, benefits, time tracking, and more. It's user-friendly, scalable, and trusted by businesses of all sizes. Now, why ADP Workforce, right? Why we don't use any another? Because of the key features. Automates payroll calculation, tax filing, and direct deposit. ADP will provide you a lot better, right? Employee self-care. Employees can access pay stubs, tax forms, and benefits information. Help you stay compliant with federal, state, and local regulation. Generates detailed payroll and tax reports. Today, we will focus on the payroll feature, but keep in mind that ADP Workforce now offers much more. To get started, open your browser and go to the ADP Workforce, which I've already told you. Now here you have to sign in, right? But before sign in, you just need to buy it. For example, let's go back here. And when I just try to sign in, right, it will ask me user ID. Once I enter my user ID, then it will ask me password, and then I will able to log in into my account. But if you're new to ADP, then you have to click on Get Started, New User, and it will redirect to your new page. Now here, you have to just go and select on I have a registration code. And to get a registration code, if you have the registration code, enter it. And then you have to enter the identity info, contact info, and then you will able to create an account. Now, for example, if you don't have a registration code, here you can just go and click on Get Started. You will find the first option, Find Me, and here enter your mobile number, right? So here let's enter our mobile number. Here you can see there's an option which says this email is not found because I didn't purchase the subscription. So first of all, you need to buy the subscription here. If you just go to the plans and pricing, here you will get this option of three sizes, the select, plus, and premium. The premium is most popular. So if you log in for the first time, you will need to set up your account, which I've already told. And by the way, if you're buying the subscription, you can buy from the link given in our description. It's a safe affiliate link. You will get a discount and we will get some commission. So it's best for both of us. Now to get started, simply just go and click on sign in here on the top right side corner. Make sure you have taken the subscription. Now here you have, for example, pick the option that describe you best. So for example, I can just go and select here, right, any of this option which describe me best and then click on next here. Then you have to enter your identity info, verify mobile number, and then you will able to download, right? So once you just go into the ADP, so ADP will give you payroll tab. This is where you will manage all your payroll related tasks such as running payroll, viewing payroll history, and managing and tax filing. Now here you can view and update employee information such as personal details, tax withholding, and pay rates. Access a variety of payroll and HR reports such as payroll summaries, right, tax reports, and employees earning. And this is your go for tutorial, the help section. In the help section, if you found any of the issues, there are FAQs and contacting support. Before running payroll, it's crucial to ensure your company's and employee information is set up correctly. So first of all, go to the employees tab and verify that all employees details such as name, address, and SSN number, that is a social security number, are accurate. Update tax information including federal and state withholding. Under the payroll tab, set up your pay schedule weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Ensure the pay dates align with your company's policies. Now configure federal, state, and local tax setting to ensure compliance. ADP automatically calculates and file taxes, but you will need to provide this necessary information. Now for deduction and benefits, you need to set up employees deductions such as health insurance premium or retirement contribution, right? And add any company paid benefits such as a 401k matching. If you're unsure about any settings, reach out to your ADP representative for assistance, and proper setup ensures smooth payroll settings. Now let's run payroll. Now first of all, if you're using a time tracking, employees hours will auto populate. Manually enters hours for employees who don't use time tracking. You can also make the adjustments regarding bonus, commission, and one time payment. Apply deductions such as a garnishment or loan repayment. Review the payroll summary to ensure everything is correct. Now, once you go and click on submit to process payroll, ADP will handle tax calculation and confirm and can view the payroll detail under the payroll history section. Navigate to and generate reports with example. ADP makes it very easy to access payroll reports for accounting or compliance purpose. Select the types of report you need, such as a payroll summary, tax summary, or employee earning report. Choose the date range and other parameters. Filter by department, location, and employee tab if you need. You can generate the report. Right now, if you run into any issues, ADP offers excellent support. Now you can go to the help section, contact support, as well as here are the few tips. For example, ensure all employee details are accurate before running payroll. Use calendar reminders for payroll deadlines to avoid late submissions. And that's it. You are now ready to use ADP Workforce Now Payroll with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy payroll processing.